reach System Preference in the dock. Then go on Keyboard, then Input Sources. Here you can add a language by pressing the plus on the lower left corner. Select your language. You can see the keyboard function in the window. Once you have more than one keyboard configuration installed, you will find this icon on the upper right corner of your Mac. Simply select your keyboard here.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there, it's from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!